In more news, more than a month after it came to power, the NDA government is under attack for failing to arrest inflation. Price of non-subsidized cooking gas LPG has now been hiked by 16.50 per cylinder and that of jet fuel by over 0.5%. The increase in rates of non-subsidized LPG and ATF comes a day after the 1.69 per litre hike in petrol and 50 paise hike in diesel was announced. Each non-subsidized 14.2 kg cooking gas cylinder will now cost 922.50 in Delhi, up from 906 rupees. Angry Samajwadi Party workers staged protests in Varanasi and Congress workers shouted anti-government slogans in Kanpur demanding quick measures by the government to check rising prices. With prices of essential items soaring, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asked states to remove hitches in supply chain and ensure uninterrupted flow. The price of vegetables has hit a high, especially onions, which are now being sold at prices between 30 to 50 rupees a kilogram. The NDA government got into a huddle last evening, calling a meeting of food ministers of all states to discuss the crisis. All right, we're being joined by our team of reporters from across the country. Kumar Abhishek is joining us live from Patna, Shujaul Haq from Srinagar, Ashish Merishi from Delhi and Virender Gunawat from Mumbai. I'm going to come to you first, Ashish. How are Delhiites reacting to this latest hike in LPG prices?
Well, in fact, if you see, not very happy, people are not very happy. We already know that the budget is not under control, and we've seen, one of the reason that inflation has been one of the reason due to which, UPA had a drubbing in the polls. But since this was the practice, this was the promise of Narendra Modi government during the polls that they have made that they are going to come out with a solution to Mehengai. Now, as of today, obviously that Mehengai is hitting the budget of the house, and obviously as the other netas are saying that bread earners are also feeling the pinch. But here, more importantly, we have to see that there is a massive difference in prices as far as retail and wholesale goes. Now, I am in a wholesale market here, and we'll talk to some of the people here where we'll just try to find out what is the rate of the vegetables. भैया यहाँ बताएंगे सब्जियों का रेट क्या है? आप गोभी बेच रहे हैं, क्या रेट है गोभी का?
गोभी 200 रुपए धड़ी है,
मतलब 40 रुपए किलो हो गई. बाकी सब्जी का क्या रेट है? प्याज महंगा है, सुना है बहुत ज्यादा.
प्याज महंगा हो गया है, 120 रुपए धड़ी है, 150 रुपए धड़ी, 140.
मतलब कि कितने करीब 24-25 रुपए किलो है यहाँ पे. और ये चीज बताइए, यहाँ पे बहुत जो अगर कंपेयर किया जाए, यहाँ पे काफी सस्ता है सामान, लेकिन अगर आप बाहर जाते हैं, सड़क पे किसी से लेते हैं सामान, वो बहुत महंगा है. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है?
किराया है, उनका भाड़ा है, खर्चा है, बहुत खर्चा लगता है. फिर वहाँ ठिए के पैसे देते हैं जहाँ बैठते हैं, फिर उनके पेट के लिए मजदूरी है, वो महंगा ना देंगे. वो खाली थोड़े बैठे हैं, अपने बच्चों के लिए कमाएंगे ना.
So here it is, see, Simi, we have to see that people, whoever it is, whether there are people who are selling it in the retail, they are also feeling the pinch. But at the end of the day, one has to understand there is a massive difference in prices of wholesale and retail, which government has to look into. But as of now, there is no mechanism to control this.
A complete absence of laws to actually implement some kind of rationing as far as the difference between retail and wholesale prices are concerned. Stay on with us. We're also getting in some more reactions from Delhi. All right, let's get in a word from Virender Gunawat, who's joining us live from Mumbai now. Virender, earlier last month, we saw onion traders in Nashik who'd gone on an indefinite strike demanding better prices. The Narendra Modi government also passing the buck to states, asking them to crack down on hoarders. How's the Maharashtra government reacting to these stories?
Simi, in fact, now the joke is going on in the social networking site that Narendra Modi used to criticize Manmohan Singh to remain mum, and now Narendra Modi has adopted the same policy to remain mum even on the inflation part. Right now I'm sitting in a Kolaba market. It's a retail market like a sabji wala. You don't pretend me as a journalist. Now I'm a sabji wala here. I have all the sabjis around. You talked about the onions. These are the onions, the average onions, which in Lasalgaon in Nasik, it was costing, the farmer used to sell it at 3 rupees maximum price, and in the Lasalgaon itself, it was separated into 3 different varieties from 3 rupees to 18 rupees. That's what the wholesale price. Now it is costing around 30 rupees or max to max 35 rupees, the best quality, but these are not the best quality. We have the sabji wala with us. एक simple सवाल आपसे करना चाहूँगा, जो लोग complain कर रहे हैं कि भी सब्जियों के दाम इतने क्यों बढ़ गए? 40 रुपए से नीचे कोई सब्जी नहीं है. जो अच्छी खाने वाली सब्जी और 60-70 रुपए में बिक रहे प्रति किलो, दाम क्यों बढ़ रहे हैं?
अभी माल कम होने की वजह से महंगाई बढ़ रही है। अभी जहाँ माल आना है उतना नहीं आ रहा है, इसीलिए महंगाई बढ़ रही है।
मतलब होलसेल मार्केट जो वाशी मार्केट है, बाइकला मार्केट, वहाँ आवक कम आ रहा है।
आवक कम आ रही, मतलब पैदाइश की वजह से कम माल आ रहा है, इसकी वजह से भाव बढ़ रहा है। और
कब
उसके अंदर आधा माल खराब निकल रहा है।
कब तक ये हाल चलता रहेगा?
अभी ये बरसात नहीं रहेगा तो कुछ बोल नहीं सकता कितना दिन तक चले, महीना जाता, 2 महीना भी जा सकता है। अब बरसात होगा तो कम भी हो सकता है।
दो चीज बताएं, क्या प्याज में कुछ जो ट्रेडर्स होते हैं, जो व्यापारी होते हैं, वो माल दबा के रखते हैं, इसके प्याज के दाम बढ़ते हैं, लेकिन सब्जी में ऐसा नहीं होता क्योंकि सब्जी तो खराब भी हो जाती है।
तो नहीं है, प्याज के बारे में हो सकता है उन लोग दबा के रख सकते हैं, वो रखने का चीज है, मगर सब्जी थोड़ी रख सकते हैं। सब्जी भाई खेती में हुआ, आधा खराब निकलता है। अभी 1 ट्रक माल ला दे तो उसके अंदर आधा बेस्ट जाता है, आधा माल आता है काम में।
हर आदमी अभी मोदी सरकार को गाली दे रहा है कि भाई, बोल रहा है कि भाई इनके आने से और महंगाई बढ़ गई है। क्या आपको भी एक व्यापारी को भी लगता है कि मोदी सरकार के आने से महंगाई बढ़ गई है, या आम आदमी जो कह रहा है वो गलत कह रहा है?
महंगाई तो बढ़ी है, अभी सरकार के आने के ऊपर थोड़ी, अभी भाई जो महंगाई हो तो है ही है।
महंगाई है तो है ही है। Simply that's the ground reality. Even the traders don't know what is the real reason, but they're saying that the supply is coming very less, and that's the reason the inflation is going up. And the prices of these vegetables, which is quite perishable, that will go on every day. And the most important, the challenging part in Maharashtra is the rains. And the June month has gone, but we haven't seen rains. And we have a very old lady with us who is a farmer who's saying, क्या आपके गांव में पानी अभी है?
अभी नहीं।
पानी अगर बारिश नहीं आएगा तो क्या होगा?
हालत हो जाएगा ज्यादा।
She's an old lady, but she belongs from a farmer community, and that's a ground reality that if there's no rain, inflation will definitely go up in Maharashtra and even in Mumbai city. No matter you're a poor man or you live in a posh locality in Mumbai.
Absolutely. Delayed monsoon adding to the woes of people across the country. Virendra, stay on with us. We're also getting some more reactions from Mumbai. Let's listen in. It's a ticking price bomb for the newly elected Narendra Modi government. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Shuja Ul Haq, who's joining us live from Srinagar. Shuja, people in Srinagar still waiting for Achhe Din.
Well, Simi, it's the same story all over in Srinagar as well. In fact, in all the other cities and towns of Jammu and Kashmir. What is adding to the woes of people is that this is happening at a time when the holy month of Ramadan has just started. Most of the people that we managed to speak to all around are complaining about the fact that the prices have gone up for basic commodities like vegetables, onions being one of the focus areas, and also now the LPG prices going up right in this month only. We all of us know that how the rush to the markets increase as well during this particular holy month of Ramadan, and that's exactly what we are witnessing in the towns and streets of Srinagar as well. At this moment, as we speak, when we try to speak to the retailers, they have absolutely no idea why this price rise is happening. Most of them are also complaining that there is a difference between the supply and demand chain as well. If we talk about the commodities like vegetables, there has been a phenomenal increase in prices, at least 40-45% change in last 2 weeks itself. But this is something that is really impacting the life of a common man on the ground. Kashmir being one of the hilly areas, the products that come from outside are very costly. Now this price rise and inflation is affecting that even further. So clearly not very good days ahead for common man, at least in Kashmir Valley, when this month is concerned.
Absolutely, rising prices burning a hole in the pockets of people in Kashmir as well. I want to come to you now, Kumar. Abhishek, how are people in Patna reacting to the hike in LPG, diesel and petrol prices?
Well, Simi, the same story here also. In Patna, prices are going up every day. The wholesale traders are blaming the retailers, and the retailers are blaming the shortage of supply. But people here are not happy with the price rising every day. I have one people. आप ये बताइए कि क्या लगता है कि महंगाई लगातार बढ़ रही है आलू, प्याज और इन सब की कीमतों को?
हाँ, पेट्रोल का भी आप तो देख ही रहे हैं, पेट्रोल का दाम बढ़ा है, इसके बाद डीजल का दाम बढ़ा है, उससे तो सारा कुछ महंगा हो जाएगा, टोटल चीज़। एक आम जो जनजीवन में जो यूज का जो सामान है, आलू प्याज, वो सब भी बढ़ गया, सब्जियां का, फल का, सब का रेट बढ़ा हुआ है।
लेकिन नरेंद्र मोदी ने तो कहा था कि ये अच्छे दिन आ रहे हैं। आपको लगता है कि अच्छे दिन आ गए हैं, आने वाले हैं?
देखिए, एक बात तो है, ये तो सभी लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इतना जल्दी कहना थोड़ा जल्दीबाजी होगा इतना शॉर्ट समय में, उसके लिए हम लोग कुछ और इंतजार, हम जैसा अपना एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कुछ हम लोग और इंतजार करना चाहिए.
Well, Simi, people are here to wait for Narendra Modi's more steps to be taken to curb the price rise. But still, in Patna, the price rise is high in onion, potato, and since it's a rainy season, so in general, the green vegetables rates are also high. So and even in today in Bihar Assembly, the question has been raised by the members today. So the politics is also hot up on the issue, but people here are suffering every day. Simi?
Absolutely, the common man suffering because of rising inflation. Let's get in a word from Ratnika, who's joining us live from Bangalore as well. Ratnika, inflation also affecting kitchens in the city there?
Yeah, I'm standing here in Russell Market in Bangalore, and I've been speaking to people regarding fuel prices rise and also the rise in price of vegetables. The onions here have gone from being 18 rupees per kg to about 35 to 40 rupees a kg, and cucumber is now 80 rupees a kg. I have some customers here and vendors here who I've been speaking to. आप बताइए ये जो बढ़ोतरी हुई है प्राइसेस में आपको कैसे अफेक्ट कर रही है?
बहुत खराब लग रहा है क्योंकि सब लोग ले नहीं सकते, इतना भाव है तो 30 रुपये किलो 80 रुपीज़ केजी बोल रहे हैं. 2 रुपया में 1 रुपया में कंकड़ी मिलने वाली, आज इसका भाव इतना हो गया तो कैसे ले कैसे खाए? आम आदमी को इतना मत सताओ. सब लोग ले सकते हैं, खाने बिना रह नहीं सकते, खाएंगे तो कैसे लेंगे? थोड़ा सोचो और आम आदमी को तकलीफ मत दो, यही रिक्वेस्ट है मेरे से.
Do you think perhaps somewhere the reason, although vendors are saying it's monsoon, do you think it's also hoarding? That could be the reason.
Well, madam, actually the reasons will create. Reason होता नहीं, बनवा लेते हैं. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल, अभी जितना भी वो 1000 मेट्रिक्स ऑफ टन जो मानसून के पहले कटाई हो गई है, उसका हिसाब किधर है? वो माल किधर है? अभी मानसून का जो कटाई हो रही, इसको वो ये कर रहे हैं, जो होर्डिंग जो ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, रमजान के वक्त ऐसे मौसमों में ऐसे वक्त हर चीज जो है एक टीम फॉर्म होती है, टीम के जरिए वो हर चीज रोक लेते हैं. This is all nothing but black marketing they are doing.
So definitely you can sense perhaps a sense of anger here, and people are definitely concerned about the rising prices, and they're demanding, asking the government what exactly is the reason for such a kind of a price rise.
Absolutely. Modi government facing heat over rising prices. Thanks so much, Kumar, Abhishek, Virendra Gurnawad, Ratnika, Ashish Mereshi and Shujal Haq. We'll continue tracking developments with you. Under attack, the Modi government is faced with a huge challenge. It's also expected to present a budget in about 9 days' time. We'll continue to keep a close eye on this story.